Union Test Preps, Anatomy and Physiology practice tests for the HESI exam. Question 1. Which of these is not a neurotransmitter? A. Dopamine, B. Acetylcholine, C. Serotonin, or D. Cortisol? The correct answer is D. Cortisol is a hormone released into the bloodstream, and so it is a secretion of the endocrine system, not the nervous system. Neurotransmitters carry nerve impulses across synapses from one neuron to the next. If you had a hard time with this question, be sure you notice the word not. It can really make a difference in which answer you choose. Question 2. Which of these is a function of the stratum basale layer in the skin? A. Excrete waste through sweat glands, B. Provide cells for the outer epidermis, C. Contribute to thermoregulation by changing the size of blood vessels, or D. Moisturize the skin with sebum. The correct answer is B. The stratum basale is the deepest layer of the epidermis where cells divide rapidly and move to the outer layers. The stratum basale also contains melanocytes whose melanin pigment absorbs ultraviolet radiation, protecting the layers beneath the epidermis. Question 3. An action potential in a nerve cell is generated by the movement of which ions? A. Iron and magnesium, B. Potassium and iron, C. Sodium and iron, or D. Potassium and sodium? The correct answer is D. The action potential is generated by the rapid movement of sodium and potassium across the cell membrane of the neuron. Question 4. If a person had reduced production of rhodopsin, which of these symptoms would likely occur? A. Reduced ability to see in low light, B. Reduced ability to digest starches, C. Reduced ability to respond to changes in temperature, or D. Reduced appetite even after long periods without food. The correct answer is A. Rhodopsin is produced in the rod cells of the retina. It is sensitive to light and enables better vision in low light. Rhodopsin is immediately destroyed through photobleaching in the presence of bright light. If this question seemed confusing, be sure you notice the word likely in the question. It can really make a difference in which answer you choose. Question 5. Which of these areas of the brain is not involved in sensory processing? A. Temporal lobe, B. Parietal lobe, C. Cerebellum, or D. Thalamus? The correct answer is C. The cerebellum is located in the hindbrain and affects muscular coordination and balance. The temporal lobe processes hearing and language, the parietal lobe processes sensory signals from the skin, and the thalamus coordinates all sensory input for further processing. Did you have trouble with this question? The word not in the question could be the reason. This certainly changes your search for the correct answer. Question 6. Which of these is a function of the enzyme pepsin? A. Digestion of starches, B. Digestion of proteins, C. Digestion of fats, or D. Digestion of nucleic acids? The correct answer is B. Pepsin is produced in the stomach and breaks proteins into amino acids. Trypsin, produced in the pancreas, is another enzyme that also digests proteins. Question 7. Which of these structures enables passage of molecules between adjacent animal cells? A. Plasmodesmata, B. Tight junctions, C. Gap junctions, or D. Desmosomes? The correct answer is C. Gap junctions are specialized connections between animal cells that form a channel for the transport of molecules between the cells. Plasmodesmata serve a similar function in plant cells. Tight junctions prevent the movement of water through the space between cells, and desmosomes bind the two cells together but without a passageway between them. Question 8. If you are told that structure 2 is medial to structure 1, in what direction should you go from structure 1 to find structure 2? A. Toward the middle of the body, B. Toward the head, C. Away from the middle of the body, or D. Away from the head? The correct answer is A. If structure 2 is medial to structure 1, it is closer to the midline of the body than structure 2. Question 9. How does the sagittal plane divide the body? A. Into right and left portions, B. Into upper and lower portions, C. Into front and back portions, or D. At an angle to horizontal and vertical planes? The correct answer is A. A sagittal plane divides the body so that there is a portion to the right and a portion to the left of the plane. The portions do not have to be equal. If they are equal, then it is the median sagittal plane. Question 10. Which of these bones is found in the upper leg? A. Humerus, B. Femur, C. Tibia, or D. Fibula? The correct answer is B. The femur is the single large bone in the upper leg connecting the hip and forming the top half of the knee joint. For free practice test study guides and flashcards for the HESI exam, please visit us at uniontestprep.com/HESI exam.